4.1. A straight wire of mass 200 gram and length 1.5 meter carries a current of 2 amps. It is suspended in mid-air by a uniform horizontal magnetic field B. What is the magnitude of magnetic field? Current carrying wire is kept under the uniform field. Whenever a current carrying conductor kept under the uniform field, it experiences by a force that is equal to ILB sin theta, where theta is the angle between magnetic field and current. In this case, theta becomes 90. So sin 90 value is 1, F equal to ILB. To get balanced each other, that is under equilibrium, we can say mg equal to BIL. So equilibrium condition is BIL equal to mg. Mass GIL. Everything is given directly. So we'll start substituting. B into current is 2, length is 1.5, mass is 0.2 kg, that is 200 gram multiplied with 9.8. If you simplify, you are getting B value as 0.65 Tesla.